If Google Chrome has been feeling slow lately, or your laptop battery seems to disappear way too fast, this video is going to help. Today, I'm showing you how to make Google Chrome faster using Memory Saver and Energy Saver, two built-in features that can improve performance, reduce RAM usage, and help your computer run more efficiently. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots menu icon. This opens Chrome's main menu. From that drop-down list, click Settings. Chrome will take you to the Settings page where you can manage everything from appearance to privacy, search, and performance. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Performance and click it. This is the section where Chrome groups features that help your browser run more smoothly. Once you're inside Performance, you'll see the Memory Saver option near the top. Memory Saver is one of the easiest ways to improve Chrome speed, especially if you have many tabs open at once. Go ahead and toggle Memory Saver to On. When this feature is enabled, Chrome automatically frees up memory from tabs you aren't actively using. That means your browser can put more resources toward the tab you are currently working in, which often makes browsing feel faster and more responsive. After turning it on, Chrome may ask you to choose a speed mode. You'll usually see a few options depending on your version of Chrome. Standard is the basic option and will deactivate tabs after a moderate amount of an activity. Balanced is designed to automatically manage tabs based on your system's current RAM usage, which can be a smart middle ground for most users. Maximum puts tabs to sleep much faster so you can maximize the available memory right away. If you keep a lot of tabs open, Maximum can make a noticeable difference. If you prefer a more balanced approach, Standard or Balanced may be the better choice. Now let's move to the next feature, Energy Saver. This is especially helpful if you use Chrome on a laptop and want to get more battery life while also lowering system strain. Still within the Performance Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Power section. Under that section, you'll see Energy Saver. Toggle Energy Saver to On. When Energy Saver is enabled, Chrome automatically optimizes performance by reducing frame rate and slowing down background activity. In simple terms, that means Chrome uses less CPU power, which can help your computer stay cooler and extend battery life. This is useful if you're working unplugged, traveling, or just want a more efficient browsing experience. Chrome will usually give you a choice for when Energy Saver should activate. You can set it to turn on only when your battery is at 20% or lower, which is a great option if you want to save power only when it really matters. Or you can choose to turn it on when your computer is unplugged, which starts conserving battery as soon as you disconnect from power. Pick the option that fits your workflow best. And that's really it. In just a few clicks, you can make Google Chrome faster, reduce memory usage, and improve battery efficiency using Memory Saver and Energy Saver. These features are built right into Chrome, so you don't need any extra software or extensions. If your browser feels sluggish, this is one of the first things I'd recommend trying. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.